boy, YouTube. This is something I've been holding off on you guys. And I know it doesn't look the prettiest, but I mean, compared to how a lot of these look, it's actually in pretty decent condition. Here we got a John Deere Gt245 with the 20 horsepower Kawasaki engine. We've just been doing a little work here and there to it. It does need a new lower bottom hood. I want to replace the lights with LEDs too, which would be nice. Just some little stuff here and there. Engine runs fine. No problems there though, which is nice. I just noticed that this entire front end is actually pretty smashed up as well. So that'll probably be, well, another thing I replace. It's only cosmetics with this one though, which is way better than what I've been dealing with other ones. Oh, this didn't hold. Wow. Man, none of this held. I just redid all this. Damn. That sucks. I thought it was gonna hold. Anyway, getting sidetracked here. I kind of did a little repair to the seat here. I know it's just zip ties, but I have a seat cover coming from it for it, and that'll be back together. Like I said, it runs great. It's got 640 hours, I want to say, right about 669. Yeah, not bad. Lights work. Might replace those with LEDs as well. And we got some parts in. Been waiting for some parts. I got this is cracked on that one, so I got a brand new little plastic piece for it. Brand new steering wheel and brand new reflectors, because apparently, I don't know why this happens, but these reflectors are shot. Oh, it also has brand new tires as well, which is nice. Nice little addition to it. So without further ado, let's start off and try and fix this front dash decal first. Because that kind of bugs me. I thought that was done, but it is not. So let's take a look at that.